5.
4. 3.
Hi, my name is Gabriella. Welcome to Notes from the 6th grade, the program that tells you everything you need to know about 6th graders, but we're afraid to ask. Today, my special guest is Molly, who will be talking to us about the day she broke her foot. Welcome, Molly. Also joining us is our live studio audience, is class 604. Welcome, 604. So Molly, how'd you break your foot?
Well, I was at basketball practice in Maspeth, and not a lot of people were there because they had some school dance going on. So when I got there, since there wasn't a lot of people there, our coach said we would go over plays. And while we were going over plays, I had to take the shot. And when I took the shot, I tripped over my friend's foot, and I landed against the floor, and the bone broke. But at first, I didn't know it broke. I thought I just hit it, and I was fine. But when I got up, I didn't feel that good. So I went and sat down for the rest of the practice because it was almost over. And then we went and we got frozen yogurt like we do at the end of practice, and then we went home. And then that morning, I really couldn't feel my foot, and I couldn't walk. So then we went to the hospital, and that's when he told me that I fractured the 5th metatarsal bone, which is on my left foot. And when I heard that, I was shocked because I didn't think I broke the bone. I thought I just bruised it. And so I went to another doctor 2 days later, and I got my air cast.
Okay, so is it uncomfortable when you walk?
Not really when I walk. I just walk and it feels like I have a shoe on, but it feels like I have 2 different shoes on.
What about when you sleep?
When I sleep, it's a little uncomfortable, but I've had it on for 5 weeks now or 6 weeks, and so I'm used to it now.
Okay, I think we have a question from the audience.
How did you feel when you got to the hospital? What were your reactions to it?
Well, at the hospital, I thought I was going to have to wait 6 hours and stuff because there was a lot of people in the hospital at the time. But I was with my grandma because my mom wanted her to come. And so we got through the hospital in less than 2 hours. And so I was just shocked because I thought I was just going to go in, they were going to put a brace on my foot and say just stay off of it for 2 days. But they had to put on the big soft cast. They had to take x-rays. I had to go to a different doctor out in Long Island. I had to miss school. And I was just amazed. One little trip, I tripped and then I broke my whole foot.
Wow. Well, that's all we have time for today. Please join us again next time on Notes from the 6th grade. I'm Gabriella. Goodbye for now.